Hey everyone, my name is Maisha and I'm a beauty director at Sephora, and today is a Sephora 6 video. These are like my favorite videos because I love gossiping about makeup and things. So we have Ish, who is on our Sephora squad with us today. Say hi.
Hello, I'm Ish. I'm so excited to film this video.
This is so fun. I know 2020 has been a little bit hard for us to have events with Sephora Squad and meet each other, so I think this is a perfect way to sort of like get in each other's heads and share what we love.
Absolutely, yeah. We're all just doing everything virtually. It's amazing.
I know. So I peeked at your list and I saw we like a lot of the same things, so I pulled some of them. So why don't we jump into your first product?
Okay, sounds good. Let's do it. So my very first favorite that I'm going to talk about is the FARMACY Green Clean Makeup Cleansing Balm. And you know what I call this? I call this a magic balm. Literally melts off all of my makeup, and like both of us like beautiful eyeshadows, right? So I want to make sure that it all comes off at the end of the day, and this has a papaya enzyme which really just helps exfoliate the skin, which, you know, I have dry skin and I want to make sure that I'm getting that in my skincare as well. But I love this for my double cleansing.
This is mine. I use it. It's I need to open a new one soon. And I agree with everything you said. I love a cleansing balm that takes off everything. And the papaya in there, the AHAs, they exfoliate, but they do not bug your eyes at all. And I didn't realize it was in there at first, but then my skin was just like softer and softer, and then I was like, let me actually like read the features and benefits, and I was like, no wonder I like it. It's softening my skin.
Right, and it's like it just cleans everything, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling dry, and that's like so important when you're cleansing your face.
So I saw you had some Tatcha on the list, and I love Tatcha, so tell me what you picked.
Yes, Tatcha is my absolute favorite. I have Tatcha, the Dewy skin cream. This right here is, oh my god, this is like my second jar, and again, like it all comes back to my dry skin, and I don't think I've ever loved a moisturizer as much as this one. It is creamy, it is beautiful, it makes me glow. Love this, and I only use this at nighttime because it is a little bit on the richer side, so I love this at the nighttime.
I'm really oily, so I use that one in my kit on other people. It's fun for me even to massage it onto people's skin, like it just feels that good. It's something about the richness of Tatcha, like it's rich but it's not heavy, like it's really really nice. Okay, so you have some concealer for me. Tell me about that.
My favorite concealer is Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this baby right here never lets me down. I mean, working for Sephora, right, we do get to try out so many different concealers, but no matter what else I love, I always come back to this. Have you used this one?
I've used it a lot, well, the multi-use part, sculpting people's faces. I feel like I can just kind of like do an entire face with it, and I love the Born This Way foundation, but the concealer is so versatile because you can like sheer it down, you could like build it up. Yeah, it's really good.
That's why I love it. I just feel like it's perfect for those like the days you want to do like a full face. It's beautiful coverage. It just blends so beautifully with no matter what foundation I'm wearing. But then it's also great for those no makeup days where I just want a little touch up here and there. Love this.
So your next pick is a sunscreen, and I'm getting the glow vibe from you, so it's also a glowy sunscreen. So tell us about that.
I love the SUPERGOOP Glowscreen Sunscreen SPF 40. And like you said, you see the little glow. I am wearing it today under my makeup. Listen, dry skin, you do everything you can to glow, you know? So I love using a sunscreen, and you know, it's so important. We should all incorporate SPF into our skincare routine, and I always say this, that when I was younger, I wish I had somebody to tell me the importance of that, but I will be that person for everybody now, and definitely wear SPF every single day, no matter what the weather is like. It's so important. It protects your skin from sun damage, and this also doubles as a primer, so why not? Wear
sunscreen, wash your makeup off, and wear moisturizer. I wish somebody would have told 12-year-old me that. So your next pick, again, is like something I absolutely love. I love Glow Recipe, so this is their newest launch, so tell us about this new baby.
Yes. First of all, we're gonna take a moment for how cute this packaging is. I love cute packaging. This is their Plump Hyaluronic Serum, and It literally does exactly what the name says.
Mm-hmm.
It plumps your skin, and sometimes I find that because my skin is so dry that sometimes I have to go with a couple of different serums, but with this one step serum, move on to moisturizer, and it's perfect.
I use their Watermelon Glow moisturizer, and that's kind of a serum moisturizer. And I feel like that's ideal for people that want the hyaluronic acid but don't want to feel it at all. But this one you feel in a good way. Your skin kind of has that glass skin effect. Like,
exactly.
I just started using it a few days ago, and I'm like, ooh, it's like giving me the hydration, but my skin is just like filled with water, which is really nice.
Exactly, and you could just see it's like your skin looks bouncy, and that's just like such a great feeling.
For your last product, again, like it's like we have the same brain. Another product that we both use, even though our skin's very different, but we can use a lot of the same products. So tell me about your last product.
So my last favorite, certainly not least, is the HOURGLASS Veil Mineral Translucent Setting Powder. And like you were saying, we both have different skin. I have dry skin, you have oily skin, but this just works beautifully to like set your makeup without drying your skin out, and just blurs everything out. I love it.
I really like the fact that it's really good for people who are heavy-handed because you can't get too much out. The amount that comes in a little tray is like all you need. So if you're someone like me that just overuses powder all the time, really great. And it's like has this reflection to it that's really pretty to make your skin look healthier. It's good stuff.
Exactly, and it just looks so luxurious. The packaging too, so.
This was really fun. I feel like we vibed on so many things that we use that are the same, which I think is cool for all of you watching. Like, just because someone has oily skin or dry skin or whatever, you know, or different perspectives, you can use a lot of the same products. That's how good they are.
Exactly. This was so much fun.
Thank you. I wish we could meet in person. The day will come when we are at a fun event.
It will.
Like,
we'll count the days.
We have a real Sephora Squad party, but this was like the next best thing. For those of you watching, thank you so much. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss fun videos like this. Sephora Sixes are always like lit. It's always fun to see what other people use, so don't miss it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.